Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. 100 days left until Litecoin's third halving. What do you need to know? The third Litecoin halving event is close by. Here are some important things you need to know. Litecoin's third halving is officially 100 days away, with the event expected to occur on August 2, 2023, at block 2,520,000. However, the date may change due to the network's hash rate fluctuations. Halving is a mechanism in which the rewards that crypto miners receive for validating transactions on a blockchain are cut in half. This is done to slow down the rate at which new units of a digital asset are created, thereby creating scarcity and potentially boosting the asset's value, according to the principles of supply and demand. By reducing the number of coins in circulation, halving is intended to counteract inflation and encourage a sustainable and stable growth trajectory for the cryptocurrency. The effect of halving on the Litecoin network. Litecoin's halving occurs every 4 years after 840,000 blocks, with miners receiving 50% fewer coins than before. The blockchain has undergone 2 halving events since its launch in 2011, and miners are currently receiving 12.5 LTC as rewards. Litecoin's block mining rewards will be cut to 6.25 LTC with the upcoming halving event. At Litecoin's genesis, miners received 50 LTC, but after the first halving on August 25, 2015, at block height 840,000, the reward was slashed to 25 LTC. On August 5, 2019, the second halving occurred at block height 1,680,000, and the reward was further reduced by half. Currently, about 576 blocks are mined on the Litecoin network each day, creating 7,200 LTC. However, after the third halving, the daily LTC production will be reduced to 3,600. As a result, the supply rate of LTC will decrease, potentially triggering a surge in demand from investors. This could positively impact the overall value of the assets. How will Litecoin's third halving affect LTC? There has been much speculation about the impact of the halving event on Litecoin's price. While some members of the crypto community believe the asset's value will increase following the event, others think the halving will have no impact as it has been already priced in. The optimistic outlook regarding Litecoin's halving event is rooted in the historical price trends of Bitcoin following its own halving, which also takes place every 4 years. Like Litecoin, Bitcoin's halving helps reduce the inflation rate and cuts miners' block rewards by 50%. Given Bitcoin's dominance, its halvings have historically caused significant disruptions in the market. Following Bitcoin's halving in 2016 and 2020, the market experienced rallies that resulted in many crypto assets reaching new all-time highs in the years that followed. However, on-chain data shows that Litecoin's previous halving events have failed to produce the same effects. LTC prices in 2015 and 2019 were, for the most part, unresponsive to the network's halving. Before the most recent halving, Litecoin's value declined and continued after the event. Therefore, it is uncertain which direction Litecoin's price will move after the halving. Price prediction. Litecoin price today is $91.50 with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.60 billion, market cap of $6.66 billion, and market dominance of 0.57%. The LTC price increased 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Litecoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 25, 2023 at 2350, the general Litecoin price prediction sentiment is neutral, with 21 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 8 signaling bearish signals. LTC price prediction was last updated on April 26, 2023 at 0:10. Litecoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $88.13, Litecoin has support levels of $87.20, $85.83, and the strongest at $84.91. Similarly, Litecoin resistance levels are at $89.50, $90.43, and $91.80. Litecoin reached its highest price on May 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $410.76, while Litecoin's lowest price was recorded on January 14, 2015 when it was trading at its all-time low of $1.113740. The lowest price since its ADH was $40.47, cycle low. The highest LTC price since the last cycle low was $104.15, cycle high. The Litecoin price prediction sentiment is currently neutral, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Litecoin's current circulating supply is 72.78 mLTC out of max supply of 84.00 mLTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 3.75%, meaning 2.63 mLTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Litecoin is currently ranked number 4 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 8 in the Layer 1 sector. Litecoin is currently trading above the 200-day Simple Moving Average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 44 days, since March 12, 2023. The price of Litecoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 1 days, since April 24, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 476 days ago, on January 4, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on November 24, 2022, which was 152 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Litecoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $82.36 by May 25, 2023. Litecoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $89.80 by May 25, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 45.28, which indicates that the LTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Litecoin price prediction, the value of Litecoin is predicted to drop by -6.51% and reach $85.57 by April 30, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 53, neutral. Litecoin recorded 17/30ths, 57%, green days with 3.85% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Litecoin forecast, it's now a good time to buy Litecoin. Comparing Litecoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Litecoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Litecoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best-case scenario, LTC price prediction for year 2026 is $1,431.61 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Litecoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $164.23. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.